fun!
Squeezable colors like never before. With Kinetic Sand,
You'll want to do more!
feel it squash, feel it squish, you can make just what you wish. Make a purple castle with ease.
Then give it a squeeze!
Never dries out and cleans up.
No problem! Slice and dice and squish and mold it!
Make whatever you like.
Awesome!
Woohoo!
We never want to let it go! Kinetic Sand! Let it flow!
The one and only Kinetic Sand. Multiple sets used, each set sold separately from Spin Master.
Kinetic Sand! Feel the fun!